Our sixth runner-up, Esquisha P. Puente. Born on March 17, 2016. Has 3 siblings. Her hobbies are singing, is to become a nurse, and her motto in life is, if you fail, is Alexa Eunice F. Dioso. Escort, Ellie Joan D. Campuzano. Charming 7-year-old grade 2 pupil. Alexa aspires to become a nurse someday. Our 5th runner-up, Alexa Eunice F. Dioso. Serene Andrea B. Labanco. Escort, Raven Borja. Is a bright and charming 6-year-old from grade 1. She is the daughter of Mr. Jose Gilles. She aspires to become a teacher. Also has a passion for sports, especially badminton. Ila Banco. Runner-up is Sia F. Go. Escort, Josh Edward James Gambos. Sia is a bright young dreamer and a proud daughter of Miss. She dreams of becoming a doctor. She also loves sport, especially running, showing both energy and passion. Girl filled with grace, talent, and ambition. Our 3rd runner-up, Tia F. Go. Our 2nd runner-up, Rico Fontes. Sophia Maureen, a graceful 6-year-old, grade 1 pupil, and a loving daughter. Her color is pink, which reflects her sweet and charming personality. With a heart full of dreams, she aspires to become a nurse in the future. She also loves the sport of volleyball. Truly, Sophia Maureen is a young girl filled with beauty, talent, and ambition. Our 2nd half, Sophia Maureen is Julio. Our 1st runner-up is Ati H. Oriosa, or Deep Sayer Ablaza. A bright 9-year-old from grade 4. The proud daughter and dancing happily shows her talent and charm. Her favorite color is purple, reflect both her calm yet vibrant personality. She aspires to become a teacher in the future. Our baby queen 2025
Wait lang, tsaka muna.
is Sandrine B. Mira. Escort, Queen Raven G. Gamit. A charming little darling, Sabrine Binira, a bright 4-year-old from daycare, and the joy of her parents, Mr. Raymond Imira and Mrs. Angeline Basquinas. At she's young to become a dentist someday. Truly, Sandrine is a bundle of joy, beauty, and promise. Your Baby Queen 2020